So if anybody told me 1 year ago that I would have worked on villas on Lake Como shooting wedding proposals, I would have laughed so hard. But here I am, guys. I finally settled down, and I want to thank you. Many companies that are helping me, especially Lumina Neo, Aperty, that make post-production very fast and easy, and Peak Time that helps me proposing and submitting nice galleries to my clients. So with that, guys, I hope I can show you something around here. We are at Villa del Balbianello on Lake Como. It's a private session. We're having a photo shoot today in the inner arch of the villa and the terrace on the lake, and the guy is gonna propose, and so let's see if she says yes. But apart from that, the location is beautiful. I am here with all my gear and all of my equipment. I had to get the photographer sticker so they will not question me if I'm recording videos or photos where normally it's not allowed. And so guys, let's have this fun session together. So these are the famous boats you will see everywhere in Italy, on Lake Como and on the coast in Amalfi. It's always the same Rio boat that made history because they were also present in all the movies about the Dolce Vita. And this is what I am enjoying at the moment. Alright, for the occasion, I will be shooting some B-roll and show you the boats, the villas, the mountains, the lake, the whatever. I'm still using my Tamron 28-75 because I have a bit of a wide glass and a bit more rich. You want to have some compression because it's packed. There are people everywhere and they all want the same shot with those arches that I will be showing you in a little while. And so I will have this double exposure. I got my speed light so I can shoot and expose for the interior as well as for the exterior and for the guy when they will reach me. It's a beautiful day here in Italy, and I hope you will have the chance to experience it sooner or later, or at least enjoy it through my videos. Just a line of people willing to get a shot. I don't know how much you can pay for a shot, but apparently this lake is very good on Instagram. So yeah, I just got some French tourists to say, yeah, pas mal. That means not bad. Not bad, guys. This is beautiful. Let me say it. These trees, these villas and the lake. I don't know if you perceive how much I am enjoying this work, because every single day I'm dealing with people who are happy because they're proposing, because their families visiting Italy, and I think this is a big of a deal, or maybe not, but anyway, when you have this sticker, it means you can do whatever you want, no question asked. And so basically I am enjoying this park like I could before in my life. So what I was saying is that thanks to Peak Time, everything that you see in here in this recording, in these photos, will be condensed in a gallery, and then I don't have to get crazy on how to share the files with my clients. I will just publish everything in a personal gallery protected by password. They will access and download the things that I want to download, and if they want to have physical printout of the photos, they can. Wherever they're living in the world, there will be printing services tailored to their location. They will print and deliver the photos to their home. So even the level of the service that I'm providing to my clients is more premium because it needs to be aligned with expectations. When you're shooting in these beautiful places and when they're paying that much money to get the villa reserved for a couple hours for the shooting, well, also the things that you take out of this experience need to be aligned with that. You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of bird. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this villa. It's called the Villa del Balbianello. It's like 20 minutes outside Como heading north. And if you did, please remember to like it, share it on social media, subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any videos to come. And I guess I will see you later. And don't forget, if you ever plan to come and to propose on Lake Como, who you gonna call? So yeah, it was a very long day. I'm a bit tired because I had so many shots and walking, and it's way too warm in here today. But guys, look where I worked today. This is a dream location. I am so happy that I'm getting to work with people that enjoy life.